how to sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can sign up for a YouTube TV free trial. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and search for YouTube TV. After that, open the first link. Then on the main homepage over here, simply click on Try It Free right at the very top. After that, you have to choose one of your Google accounts. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of YouTube TV. Over here, click on Start Free Trial. After that, over here, choose a plan that you would like. For example, you will find the base plan and you can see all the channels included in the base plan. Then all the channels will be available right over here. You can also choose different types of plans if you prefer. After choosing your plan, click on Next at the very bottom. Then over here, you can customize your plan. Just pick whatever you want. After that, once you have picked your desired channels, then click on Checkout. After that, over here, you will see your complete invoice and the total price that you have to pay is completely $0. But in order to complete the transaction, you will need to add your debit card, credit card, or any other payment method that you have. Then just click on Start Membership. It won't cut any payment from your account, but in some regions, there might be a $1 transaction, so keep that in mind. After that, once you click on Start Membership, your plan will begin and you will be able to use YouTube TV for free for a total of 7 days. So that's how you can sign up for a YouTube TV free trial. That's all for this video.